Hello everyone. Today introduction getting started into Angular 7. Welcome introduction Angular. What's Angular? Welcome to Angular. Angular helps you build a model application for the web, mobile, or the desktop. You will use the Angular CLI to the actual development, while added to the style builder, recommending that benefit every Angular project. Before you begin Microsoft new development includes Node.js and nearby backend manager. To get the Node.js, download Node.js importing Node.js open install. Check in will open. How to step into the Angular set before you open CME on computer. CME conversion. Install copy of the Angular installation. PM in APM install re Angular okay, and this new check I come computer my what is the near the check vision Vision 6 for third one. Not that version 10. Version 10. Negotiate new my open the CD laptop on the folder Angular CD open laptop Angular. CD for the Angular CD Angular my app download my app project create my app project the insert to development by software Visual Code Studio. Visual Studio Code and install. Download Code download for Windows. Download for Windows Master Windows 16 for Linux and for your computer. Zero on first second on download second website and CMI Visual application. And the second open Visual Studio Code and version. My app folder, my apps my app Angular open Vision can Angular includes 7 so that you can easily build and save your application. Go to the work folder my apps. Launcher my apps launcher server by UCA command UCA open view CMA. EOS 7 open. EOS 7 open app my apps MUIS. New my app new MA server open this UMA Open the GIMU file CF and CSS HTML TS. Open by the folder by the CUAT. Writing but writing often open. Writing often open project my apps. CMA or the Angular CSS. Writing sorry new pizza waiting open server open waiting Camberley Angular Liver Development 7 listen or localhost for 4200 open 0 about hard time knowledge week or in the language you waiting to run building and so can nothing comes secondarily localhost oh sorry open localhost open my go to shop open chôm my up where to angulize the fish arrow some and link to open the my fan can open channel upper content combination channel title open content channel king angular demo exam demo is a demo server can server open server angular server where to can go title angular demo so can thank you server thank you what is you watching everyone thank you very much